Today, we're going to be putting a tapered carbon fork on the Dolomite ALX. Let's get into it. This is a Fatboy Chisel carbon rigid fork. This is off Specialized. This carbon fork comes with a lifetime warranty. It retails for $400. I got it just by chance on sale for $140. I'm super stoked with that price, and that's really the only reason why we did this. So, I have a pretty good idea of how I'm going to get this tapered fork to fit in this non-tapered headset, and we'll go over that in a minute. But first, let's go over this awesome carbon fork. This part is actually the star nut in a sense for the carbon fork, because you do not want to put a star nut in a carbon fork. Really bad idea. It's basically an expander plug is what it is. This is 135 millimeter quick release, which is what you need for the Dolomite. I'm so excited to be working on this Dolomite again. This fork looks freaking awesome. I'm so excited. Now, the question is this fork gonna get this thing under 34 pounds? Probably not, but we're gonna try. All right, so we're gonna get all this fun stuff off, and we'll come back in just a second. Some of you are probably wondering, hey Josh, how are you going to get a tapered fork to fit into a non-tapered headset? There is this very cool adapter FSA makes for a 44 top and 44 bottom. I use this for my Huffy Scout dirt jumper build, so it's when I got it out, it wasn't exactly the best ordeal. But, so this is a 44, and the bottom sticks out and expands into a tapered. So a 1.5 inch, and the top is just a normal actual headset cup like you would normally have. So the inner diameter that goes up has to be 12 millimeters, and this is right at 12 millimeters. The inside diameter of this is right at 12 millimeters. I'll show a little clip of what that looks like because it stops. This little area needs to be 12 millimeters. We'll get this in with my actual headset press, and we should be ready to rock to put the tapered in, get it size cut, filed, and all that jazz. So let's keep going and see what happens. But we got it done. If you do this, don't be like me and remember that the front rotor is 180 and not 160, so you need to use that little adapter. I got the wheel in there, I'm like, why is this rotor doing this? And it clicked that it's 180, not 160. So besides that little hiccup, just because I wasn't thinking, this went perfect. I mean, I don't think this took me maybe 30 minutes, 45 minutes tops to switch everything over. Now, given I have done a couple forks and that kind of a thing, and I know what to do, but I mean, This went super fast, and I mean, I've rode around the block a couple times with it. This fork is nice. I really, really like the feel of it. And for the price that I paid for it, coming with a lifetime warranty through Specialized, because that's who I got it from, and it being basically like 75% off, I mean, absolutely terrific. And I love the way it looks. Just that black, and just how like beefy the stanchions are almost on it. It's just so cool looking. But my scale's been zeroed out. Let's see if we are under 34 pounds. 33.97! Yes! Look at that! That is exciting. I don't know why it's so exciting, but it is. 15.41. 33.97. My goal of getting the Dolomite ALX under 34 pounds has been accomplished. But I did it with parts that I wanted. I didn't just like change it to a single speed with carbon seat post and that kind of thing. This is a 1x10 with a dropper post and a carbon fork with tubes with inner tubes and wheels, and I'm just excited it's under 34 pounds. I don't care if it's only 0.03 under. We did it! This has been so fun. So I guess we're gonna have to do a trail ride again here soon, and I think it's time we do just a legitimate bike check over the Dolomite, and I think I can finally give my final review over this bike as well. So it's been a bit since I've done a Dolomite video. I got a couple projects that I've been working on the side as well, but man, what a cool find. I'm so excited I found that Specialized fork for the price. Like I said, it will be in the description of the video. I don't know how many they have. I don't know if it was a special that I just caught, but originally it is $400, and I got it, like I said, for like $130, $140. So, any questions? Put them in the comments. But other than that, I'm loving this Dolomite. This has been so much fun. Everyone take care, and thank you so, so very much.